Hi everyone! Welcome to English with me. I'm Mila, and today I'm inviting you to step into English not just as a language, but as a rhythm, a daily habit, and a way to connect with the world. In the next few minutes, you're going to train your ears, your voice, and even your mouth muscles to move like a fluent speaker. This isn't just practice, it's the start of building real confidence every single day. If you've been waiting for the moment to finally speak English naturally, this is it. Are you ready to begin? If you've never done shadowing before, you're about to discover the fastest way to speak English fluently. Here's the magic: listen to me. Then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed. Don't think about grammar. Just let your mouth learn the natural flow of English. Today is part one of my complete daily routine, from morning until work time. These are 30 sentences I actually use every day, and after shadowing me, they'll feel natural coming out of your mouth too. If you're new here and want to speak English confidently every day, hit subscribe right now. Ready to transform your English in just 8 minutes. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. That's totally normal. Just do your best and you'll improve with each sentence. Let's start shadowing. Let's start with my morning routine. Listen first, then shadow me. Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 7, 0 every morning. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. First, I drink a glass of cold water. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. I wash my face with warm water and soap. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. I comb my hair and make it look neat. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Perfect. Can you feel how these sentences are starting to flow? Keep going. Your English speaking muscles are already getting stronger. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. I drink orange juice and hot coffee. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. I choose my clothes for work carefully. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. I check the weather forecast on my phone. I pack my lunch in a small container. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Amazing. You're halfway through part one. If you're shadowing with me right now, drop a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are practicing. I leave my house at 30 sharp. I walk to the bus stop near my building. I wait for the 12 bus to arrive. On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. I arrive at my office at 9:15. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. I check my emails and make a to-do list. I attend 3 important meetings today. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. I work on my computer until 5. Incredible. You just shadowed 30 essential daily routine sentences, but we're only halfway through my day. You've just completed another powerful step in your English journey. But remember, fluency doesn't come from one big effort. It's built from small, consistent moments, like the one you had today. Every sentence you shadowed, every word you spoke, is shaping your voice and your confidence. Keep showing up for yourself. Practice tomorrow, the next day, and the day after that, because the more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and the faster your English will truly become a part of you. Thank you for learning with me here at English with Me. I'm Mila, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Tomorrow's episode reveals my evening routine, plus the 5 secret words that make you sound 100% native. Here's a little sneak peek. Hit subscribe now. Part 2 drops tomorrow. And here's your challenge. Use the sentence, I leave my house at sharp. Comment your time below. I want to see it. Don't stop here. Your English journey is just getting started. I'll see you in part 2. Keep shadowing. Keep improving. You're doing great. Until then, keep speaking, keep believing, and keep growing. You're doing better than you think.